Hey beautiful viewers, welcome to the new video. Today here I will teach you how you can create your own customizable scrollbar for your website. It is very easy to make and looks amazing. Let's get started. Whole code for doing this will be written in CSS. For doing this we will use WebKit. WebKit is a layout engine designed to allow web browsers to render web pages. The WebKit engine provides a set of classes to display web content in Windows and implements browser features such as following links when clicked by the user, managing a back-forward list, and managing a history of pages recently visited. If I write only WebKit scrollbar, means I am referring to the base area. If I write WebKit scrollbar thumb, then I am referring to this area here. Navigation buttons can be created using WebKit scrollbar button command. You can even use images to give it more customizable look. From here you have successfully learned how to create a scrollbar. Now use your imaginations to create an amazing project. Hit like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.